Let's demystify stuffed lobster tail. When I was younger, I used to think that stuffed lobster tails can only be done by highly trained professionals. Today, we're going to show you how to do it in the comfort of your own home. First, you get a lobster tail, and then you split it down the middle using kitchen shears. Do not go all the way, only split until the tail end meets. When you split the lobster tail, just reach on in, don't be afraid. Use your fingers and get in there and pull the lobster meat out. When you pull the lobster meat out, you're going to rest it on top, almost like a crown. Drizzle some lemon butter on this, which is just melted butter and lemon zest, and pop this in the oven, 425 for 5 minutes. Let's make our crab stuffing. First, you want to caramelize some onions, which is real easy. Just butter and onions, and let it sit until the onions get nice and translucent. You have some crushed crackers. Make sure you nice and mince them, and dump all of your butter and caramelized onions in, as well as some fresh garlic, and mix it all together. And then get some fresh lemon juice to make it nice and bright. And don't forget your crab meat. Combine everything together and make a nice patty that goes on top of your cooked lobster. Form your crab cakes in the shape of the lobster tail, get it on there and press it down, sprinkle some lemon butter, and now it's ready for the oven. After you add your crab stuffing, you're cooking this lobster tail for an additional 15 minutes at 425. Then you can add some of that delicious lemon butter that you made and enjoy. Fresh lobster tails are available 7 days a week. If you like this recipe and more, follow us online.